Welcome back. Today we'll go through Syncthing LXC install on Proxmox. Syncthing helper script can be used from community helper scripts, and we choose advanced settings. To make a selection, use spacebar, and then I choose unprivileged. Click OK. Set root password here and re-enter the root password with verify root password. Container ID is prompted by default. We can opt to keep it or change if you prefer. Set the host name, then set the disk size. It's defaulted. We may increase it. I chose 16 GB here. Click allocate RAM. By default it is selected. Now set the static IP here if you prefer that way. Enter the gateway IP address. Disable IPv6. I choose yes. MTU keeping it default, and rest of the options keeping it default, including the MAC addresses. Here set custom tags. I change few things here. Click OK. SSH authorized key for root. I would choose leaving empty. Now Syncthing is getting installed. It's almost done. It takes the default Debian 12 template, and it's unprivileged. Container ID, host name, disk size, CPU codes, RAM, and a few other details can be reviewed here while it's getting installed. Installation of Syncthing is almost done. It's closed, and then it can be viewed on web. Thanks.